Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Monday. The West Indies' record-breaking win over Bangladesh doesn't make the Caribbean side favourites to win the series. That's according to head coach Phil Simmons, who said in a press conference today that the team must now build on its performance heading into the second test starting on February 10 in Dhaka. Renata Brown reports.
More than 24 hours after their highest test run chase in Asia, the Windies' 3-wicket victory over Bangladesh in Chattogram is still fresh on the lips of the cricketing world. However, stringing together multiple test wins has been a problem for the Caribbean men. In fact, since 2013, the Windies have only managed to win back-to-back tests on 4 occasions. 2 of those back-to-back wins actually came against Bangladesh, but never on the road. The last time the Windies won back-to-back tests in the same series, though, was against England in 2019, and Simmons believes the team must become consistent.
That's what we're searching for right now, because I'm tired of these, one win here, one win there. We need to continue with the way we've prepared. We need to improve on other things, on some things, and continue with that intensity in the way we prepared, and make sure that we don't go backwards again, because as I said, I'm tired of winning one game and for the next 3 or 4 test matches we're struggling.
And while the victory against Bangladesh was pleasing, Simmons admits that there are still areas to improve.
I think every time you win, it's more important that you look at ways to improve. And that's the way we're going to look at it. Yes, you've done things well, but how do we improve on that? Because the one thing when a team loses or a person loses, they're going to try and find a way to improve and get better.
In the meantime, the Windies coach has hailed Jamaican Nkrumah Bonner for the part he played in a 4th-wicket partnership of 216 with Kyle Mayers. Bonner, who fell 14 runs short of a debut century, was commended for the fight he showed on a tough 5th-day pitch.
I think his inning was a special inning too. I am disappointed that he didn't get 100, because I think the way he batted it deserved 100. But I'm sure that will come if he continues to play the way he played there. But the partnership is what matters. Kyle might have scored 200, but Bonner's partnership with him is what set up things. That the fact that we didn't lose a wicket in the morning and we didn't lose a wicket in the second session gave us that push to make sure that we had the ability. We were the only team that could win the game.
The 216 runs added by Bonner and Mayers marked only the second time 2 debutants have added more than 200 runs in the history of Test cricket, and the first for the West Indies. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.